Yes. Engineer Steve Electric. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel that you don't miss up the next videos which I'm going to upload very soon. Today I have come with parallel circuit or parallel connection. Parallel connection. What is parallel connection? Parallel connection, this is where current divides and most of it flow through different or through many branches, like in our domestic, mostly used in domestic wirings, and most of the devices we use parallel connection when we are connecting or wiring them. So why do we use parallel connection? We use parallel connection because provide more than one way for current to flow through to devices. It provide more than one way that current can flow through many ways. That's why we use mostly parallel connection more than a series connection. Then it also creates much more stable and efficient power supply than any other connection. So series connection, for it you connect end to end, while your parallel connection you from device to device, or from it's the difference between parallel and series. In a series connection, all components are connected end to end, forming a single path for current to flow. While in a parallel connection, all components are connected across each other, forming exactly two sets of electrically common points. So we are going to connect our parallel connection. The materials we have here, our switch, the switch is here. We have our lamp holders. We have three lamp holders. Then we have three bulbs. Then we have a tester, plus our cables. Now we are going to start. Remember, with parallel, we connect. These are our lamp holders. Let me open them properly. So here we are going to start our connection. We connect from one component to another. That's parallel. So here I started with the live. Let me a little bit reduce. Reduce a little bit. Yes, as we are seeing here, this is our connection now. Here, this is a neutral, this is a live. The live from this lamp holder connect to this lamp holder and to this lamp holder. So that's what we call a parallel connection. Connects from one component to another. So the neutral from this lamp holder connect to this lamp holder, and from this one to this one. So we are going to make one as our main lamp holder where our supply is going to be connected. So now this is our switch. Now let us connect the switch. The switch is here, so we are connecting our switch. So now here we are connecting our switch. This is our supply. This is the supply from the source. So we connect to the common. There is a common, then there is L1 and L2. So this is a two-way switch, one gang. This is a one gang, two-way switch. So we are going to choose only one terminal. You may use L1, you may use L2 according to what you want. So live from the supply connect to the common. So I have fixed my common here. Then I'm terminating. Yes, I'm terminating. So this is the termination now. I'm going to use L1, then I terminate. Now this one we are going to make it is our supply now, because current has entered. Now we are taking back. Now you are going to connect. You can choose any. You may choose this one. Let me choose this one because I have used the neutral is here. Now let me show you here. We put here our supply up. Now as you are seeing, now this is our supply. This is the supply now. Now this is the L1, which is going to supply the bulbs. So now this is our live, this is our neutral live. Like we connect from one component to another. So here we are going to connect. Let us first fix our bulbs. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, like, so that we make our YouTube channel more considered with the practical. We are going to make more practicals as much as possible, electricity concerned. So now we are going to connect our supply from the main source. Yes, now we are going to connect our supply. Let us connect this. This is our switch. Lamp holder 1, lamp holder 2, lamp holder 3. Now this is the parallel connection. This is what we use in our room, in the domestic wiring. That's what we do when we are connecting those domestic wiring. So I told you the reason why we use parallel connection mostly. It is just because provide more than one way for current to flow through a device, then it flows through, then it creates much more stable and efficient power supply. As you are going to see, the power supply is very okay. Then like here, the connections, they are very okay, because we are connected from one lamp holder, the neutral from lamp holder to this lamp holder, live from this lamp holder to this lamp holder, then live from this to this lamp holder, then like the process repeats itself like that. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Eng Steve Electric. Yes, now we are testing. You switch on. I think it is giving light. Most of them, they are giving light. That is what we call parallel connection. You switch at once, they give light, provided you have used a one gang switch. If you have used a two-way gang switch, you switch on separately. Like if you have used the three gang, you first switch on this one, switch on this one, switch on this one, according to the way you want. Eng Steve Electric, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm uploading more videos about the wirings, the two-way connection series. I'm coming with a series connection, three-way connection, intermediate. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Engineer Steve Electric. Love you. Salute.